Amara Raja vs Exide Industries. Which battery stock should you own in your portfolio and why are they important to know about? Now, brokerage firm Nomura sees electric vehicle penetration in India to go up from 2% to 20% in the next few years. Now, one way to play this would be through EV makers such as Tata Motors as well as Mahindra, but they also compete with strong unlisted players such as Hyundai as well as Toyota. Now, another alternate way to play this EV theme is via these battery makers whose strength as well as track record make them a compelling story going forward. Over the last 5 years, we've seen stocks such as Tata Motors as well as Mahindra & Mahindra have run up 3 to 4 times the stock price and given roughly 300 to 400% returns, while battery makers have risen around 1.5 to 1.8 times, giving roughly 150 to 180% of returns. Now, there are two companies which are a pure play battery makers and an alternative way to get an exposure to the electric vehicle theme in India. Amara Raja is the first stock that we're looking at, and the company is buzzing as it has signed a new tech partnership with Goshen InnoBat Batteries, which is a joint venture between the two companies. Now, this will enable Amara Raja to get battery technology from them and manufacture EV batteries right here in India. Post the election result, the market saw deep correction with the index falling by roughly 5.9% in a single day. Amara Raja fell roughly 14%, but the company has run up 52% post that. The company's managing director Jay Galla is also a former TDP parliamentary member, and post Chandrababu Naidu's induction as Andhra Pradesh CM, it has got a slight level of growth and the stock price has run up post that as well. Now, for the next level of growth, Amara Raja has planned a giga corridor in Telangana with a total capex of roughly 9,500 crores. Do note that this is 50% higher than its peer, which is Exide Industries, and Exide has also gone through its ups and downs over the last few years. Do note that Exide underperformed the Nifty by roughly 30% between 2018 and 2023, but the stock is up by 80% in this year itself, post its announcement of partnership with Hyundai Motors as well as Kia Corporation to equip the future electric vehicles in India with lithium-ion batteries produced right here in India. Now, this is the first such partnership which has been in the industry, and the stock is also up roughly 27% from the June 4th lows. And with the future positive with investments in lithium-ion battery capacity, Exide has also already invested roughly 2,300 crores and is expected to invest 4,000 more crores over the next 2 years. Now, we do know that the companies plan with batteries for electric vehicles, but how do they compare to each other? While revenues for Exides are much higher, margins as well as profitability is much higher for someone like an Amara Raja. Despite that, Exide's market cap is higher, so its current valuation is almost 50 times price to earnings versus 31 times for someone like an Amara Raja. Now, Exide does have higher capacity for lead batteries, but going forward, the future will be electric vehicles, and batteries for the same with the valuation differential could potentially reduce. So what are the brokerages saying? Exide has roughly 13 buy calls, which indicate 56% of total brokerages being positive on the stock, while Amara Raja has 8 buy calls currently with 47% of total brokerages positive on the stock. Now, despite differences in Amara Raja as well as Exide Industries, these two will continue to dominate the battery space and will benefit from the EV boom in India. So keep an eye out for them.